Who gonna win that big TV? Who gonna win it? Who gonna win that big TV up there?
Okay, before we do this.
Before we start this video, what should they do?
Hit that on the kitchen bell and hit that like you like.
Hit that like up here, y'all. So today, y'all, I am doing Faith braids. I'm gonna do some twists. I took out all of those braids she had in her hair, and it was time for them to go. Okay, so I saw some cute styles, and I wanted to do like a twist style. So stay tuned. Grab a drink, get your laptop, and let's get into it, y'all. So let's go. Okay guys, so the first thing you're gonna need, I tried out this Pure Honey Twisting Cream by Cream of Nature, y'all. And you can also use some smoothie, or you can use a cream. You also gotta have you some Jam on Deck to lay them edges down, y'all. And I also got some Blue Magic grease, y'all, just to put a little shine onto it, y'all. So I already washed Faith's hair. I didn't put no heat to it. I didn't blow dry. I just left it, it's like kind of damp, y'all. So I'm gonna just try these twists for the first time. Don't judge it, girl, but I believe if you have practice and keep doing these twists, you're gonna get better at your craft, okay? So the first thing you need to do is get your comb, and you can put it in 4 sections or however you want to put it in the sections. I'm just gonna part it as I go, and I'm just gonna make some boxes, and I'm gonna just start doing her twist, y'all. So keep watching. Let me know what y'all think. If y'all tried this style, doing twists on y'all hair or y'all cheering hairs, let me know which products y'all use. I will have the products in the link just in case you want to try these ingredients out, y'all. So let's get into it, y'all. Let's get into it, y'all.
I'm a rolling stone. I'm a rolling stone. I'm too hot for you to own.
I'm just doing each braid one by one through the whole process. I think next time I'm going to blow dry her hair so that way the roots can lay much better. Like I said, her hair was wet. It was kind of damp. And if you see like the cream on the twist, don't worry about that because all that's going to go away like once you complete the braids. Comment below if y'all enjoying this kind of content. I thank you all for supporting. If y'all watched the video this far, we appreciate the love and support, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I was trying to hurry up because we have a workshop event dealing with Faith School, and I had to be there. So I was trying to knock out these twists, y'all. If you new to the channel and you enjoying this kind of content, hit a like for us, subscribe, and join the fam, y'all. So let's continue this vlog, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I finished her twist. Let her sister know if y'all like her little twist for the first time. She liked that she can shake her little twist, y'all. She thought it was really cute. You could put like a bow on it, some barrettes if you want to, or you can just let it hang down, y'all. All right, so let's get into the rest of the video, y'all. I thought the little twist looked cute, y'all, for the first time, y'all. Like I said, next time I'm gonna just blow dry it out. Okay, guys, so we got dressed. Faith and I are dressed. We're going to this workshop at her school. The teacher asked me to attend this workshop, so of course I said yes. So we're gonna see what the workshop is all about. So you ready, Faith?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you hung around this long in the video, thank you so much for sticking around with us. So now we're on our way to the workshop, y'all. So let's get into this.
Pick which one, and then these young ladies will direct you to the room.
Okay, Play-Doh.
Yeah.
You want to take some Play-Doh and
I
stuff?
want to take this
Okay.
and a blue. Let's go.
Okay. Okay, guys, so we're gonna grab some little, look like breakfast, little snacks before we go inside the workshop.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
In this clip, these two instructors were going over motivating for your child. So they were really, really amazing. I've learned some things that I had to add on to my daily structure with my children. So they were great. So keep watching, y'all.
Food and drink, so you know it can help their brain kind of focus and like restart.
Right.
And the right tools. So sometimes kids are like, "Oh, mom, I need a pencil, I need an eraser," and they waste time going for these things.
Right.
So if you have like you don't even need a desk, like a little section at like a certain part of your house where you just have pencils, like erasers, paper, anything that they need. So they're like, "Oh, mom, it's right there."
Like I noticed with Faith, she'd be like, "I'm tired now," and I'm like, "No, we gotta finish this homework," you know.
Yes.
So I try to like.
We're gonna get there. Yeah, there's a section that talks about that because,
Uh-huh.
like I said, she is 8 years old. I'm 21, and I'm
Right.
like, I need a nap, and then my nap turns into like a 4-hour
Right.
sleep schedule. So
Right.
there's a little hack in here for that. But yeah, so we just need to make sure that they have everything that they need.
Right. Okay, guys, the next speaker was speaking on bullying. So this was really a great topic on what measures you need to take and what steps you need to take if your child is being bullied. So I've learned a lot in this class, y'all.
Evidence, you may need it later. Screenshots. I don't know if you got, I know screenshots, images on your phone, anything you might need, they're your receipts. Get in contact with your child's school and inform them about what has happened. They will be able to help you control the circulation and support your child. If the image or film has been shared with someone who attends the school, they will be able to work with you to approach them directly. They can help with reinforcement and control. This part is really important. Your child is going through something, whether it's sexting bullying or bullying regular, insult or whatever. It is not wise, I wouldn't advise, to try to contact those parents or go to those parents' home by yourself. This is important. This is why they tell you contact the school. I know sometimes you don't want to contact the school, you don't want schools to get involved or whatever, but it'll be much, much worse on you. If you decide, I'm not gonna call the school, I'm gonna go show up to this person's house, and now something goes wrong. You never know, because you don't know that child's parent, right? You don't know what's going on. You don't know their attitude. You don't know. So now you're showing up to someone else's home, trying to fix something, and things end up worse. Who is in the right? Who's in the wrong? In that particular moment, you're in the wrong. Legally, you're in the wrong. Legally, you did not approach the school, which is what you're supposed to do. Legally, you try to take matters into your own hands, and now you are entering someone else's home. They did not come to your home. You went looking for them. So this is an issue. Therefore, that's why I think that this is very important. Any issues or whatever, you try to go to the school and do things the legal way so that the other side doesn't have any points to say, to say, hey, they're saying we threatened their child, but they just came to my house. Now we feel threatened because you went and showed up in your home. So it's very, very popping up and showing up at people's homes. Absolutely not. It just puts you in the wrong because now they can say whatever that they feel harassed, and I mean, you're there in their house, so it proves it. If you suspect that your child has been coerced into sharing the images as part of a sexual exploitation or bullying, you must also inform the school. They will file child protection and safeguarding procedures and will be able to...
Raffle time.
Good everyone. First, I would like to thank Mr. Colon and also Mr. Brown for this opportunity to collaborate, to offer these opportunities to our families, and look forward to future opportunities throughout the course of the year. Buenas tardes a todos nuestros padres. Muchísimas gracias por haber asistido. Queremos poder ofrecer más oportunidades a través del año, y entonces estoy hablando con todos, estoy yendo de mes en mes hablando con nuestros padres para ver qué es lo que les interesa a ustedes.
With basket number 3. 4119. 4119. ¡Yepa!
TV
Bedroom, ¿ah? Ok. Para el cuarto. Televisor. 4, 1, 3, 1. 4151.
Stop it. People gonna look at you.
Ah, she won. Okay.
What's the rewind, y'all? We got another air
The
fryer,
basket.
y'all. You gonna cook when you get home?
4147. 4147.
Who gonna win that big TV? Who gonna win it? Who gonna win that big TV up there?
So here we go. The big 43-inch.
We also have some extra pastries and extra food, so we want to make sure that we make sure everything is nice and clean. Just take some home or take some to some friends, okay?
Okay, se pueden llevar la comida que sobró, se la pueden llevar a la casa, ¿ok? Alguien se lo ponen en un paquetito y se lo llevan. Muy bien, here we go. Big TV, 40 pulgadas de televisor. 4, 1, 2,
Who the winner?
0. Vete al otro lado ya. Okay. Yeah.
We gonna end this vlog, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. Faith, you gotta say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
You got another air fryer?
Yeah.
What you gonna cook?
Chicken french fries, McDonald's french fries, nuggets.
Aww. All right, bye for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see y'all in the next video. It's cold out here. Peace out. Peace. Peace.